फ्रेंड आ रहा है एक फ्रेंड आ रहा है उनको
Friends, hi. So we are at hall number 5. This is Pragati Maidan. So this was a two-day event. It was inaugurated by Mr. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat yesterday. So we have the founder of the company, Dreamcast. They started in Jaipur, is it?
Yeah, we are based out of Jaipur, headquarters in Jaipur, but we have office in Delhi, Bombay.
So you can introduce yourself and when did you launch this company and what do you do? What verticals?
We become a product for event as an industry. We majorly solving event technology for the large scale event. So we have different pieces of technology. So in a life cycle of the event, we provide different pieces of application and platforms that can help simplify and make the event more effective from the organizer side, also on the user side.
So you're when somebody is registering, then this process starts
So the
at that
workflow
point.
of any event start from the starting point, which is like when you buy a ticket or when you register yourself.
Right,
So the workflow
right.
in a automation of the event start from registration only.
So it could
but
be scanners and then
yes,
facial
yes,
recognition.
Yes. So
What about AI? Like I was just reading.
So a lot of AI has we have introduced in our workflow of
Right.
event technology. So right from using facial recognition in your registration process to how you can churn the data and content with using AI is the second piece that we are working on. And another piece is how you can get the personas of the individual whom you are meeting and matchmaking.
So how big is this industry per se? Means you're the domain you're working in. How big is it? Means and where do you see the future now?
So big, like yesterday only on the introductory session, it's a 300,000 crore rupees of industry. So the TAM is really big. It's subjective to how you can capture it, and it's a very interesting space to be in.
You're a techie?
Yeah, I am a tech.
Okay. So where did you study? Where did you, if you want to tell
I've done
about
my
that.
engineering from Rajasthan,
Okay.
from SM University, and then I worked with different organizations. Learned my art and craft from there.
Wonderful.
And then I started our own stuff.
This Dreamcast.
This Dreamcast.
Okay. So now you're out of Bangalore, and where all you have your offices?
So we have almost like a 250 people team size,
Right.
spread across 5 cities in India, and also in UAE. That is our scale.
Great.
As of now.
So we'll ask you to take us across.
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, we'll take a pause. Yeah. So we're just getting you what are the
So here we are
Yeah.
trying to showcase how you can be quickly check into the any event. You just show your face and you are done.
yes.
And your badge would be printed. You can quickly get your receipt of the badge and then you can paste it across your badge. Your badge is ready. So it's a 10-15 second process. Usually in the event you have large footfall. People tend to spend a lot of time in terms of checking in. So our process is very fast. You quickly check into the event.
Yes.
Just stick your receipt and the badge is ready.
Wonderful.
So that's a 10
So
second
when
process.
we talk about cost, so how much does this cost? The entire process.
So very minimal because we have a very modular, very easy to carry system. So majorly cost comes when you make a very bulky systems and hard to deploy. It's an internet based. You're not a networking based. So networking adds a cost. When your systems are very heavy, that adds a cost. So our
Suppose we are talking about say 1,000, people visiting in an exhibition. So would it be cost effective for that level?
very effective. So
Very
let's say
effective.
1,000. You might not be spending let's say 100 rupees per user
Right.
to manage 1,000 people footfall, including the consumable that you use,
Yes.
the lanyard and the badges. So it's a very cost effective, and the user and the organizer also gets a clear idea how much they are spending. And obviously, when the scale goes up, the cost goes down.
Wonderful.
So that's a
So
beauty
you
of
want
the
to
event.
talk about your clients? Who are your clients essentially? We move to that. Say, come. Please go.
Yeah, hi, I am Vipul and
So we were asking about your client base because we feel that Dreamcast is doing a wonderful job, and MICE industry is going to grow. Even the minister was here yesterday, and everybody in the segment feels that things have to be automated. The manual process, people are stuck.
Sure,
So
yes.
please tell us.
Technically we are 3 years, 4 years old in this process. When we wanted to enter the market, we were very clear that we want to do it differently with digital and have a mobile first approach. So we disrupted and we disrupted the market in the processes, FR technology and a lot of other things. Our client base is we work with quite a few messages from our markets and quite a few other clients.
So what are the future plans? How do you see yourself in next 10 years? Because it's changing. There's disruption all across.
In the next 10 years, I think that we will have more robust systems.
Okay.
Ecosystem will be more tighter in terms of, we call it the event Digi Yatra. Right now we're still working in silos, different projects, different services and different portfolio. But as this process evolves, this time evolves, I think more or less all exhibitions will have most of the solutions which are going to be baseline. There's going to be a benchmarking, and at the same time, a lot of line solutions like event apps and all of these will also become a norm on a regular basis.
And this will cut down on the human resources, the manpower.
Absolutely, it would to a certain extent. I would say that it wouldn't be just manpower, it would be smarter people deployed for more efficient work. Right now, it is a lot of brick and
Because
mortar.
now what happened, like I'm coming to various exhibitions for the last 40 years. So over these years at Bharat Mandapam and especially this location, there's a lot of pain points when somebody who's already registered and he comes and he wants his, print out.
Yeah.
So what your friend Shankar showed me was very fast.
Yeah.
It was not a nick of, he just came out.
Right.
So I'm really flattered,
No, so see, technically, whatever you do online, whatever technology you deploy on ground, how you understand the pulse of the event, the kind of footfall that's going to happen, the scale of the event, all the juice and the spark lies in that. The magic lies there.
Yeah.
The
What about
overall
AI? I mean,
understanding.
AI today, there are some people like now we have waves going on in Bombay, right?
Ah.
So the Minister of IT, Ashwini Vaishnav is there.
Yeah.
We heard Ambani brothers, Mukesh
Right.
Ambani ji talking about it.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
PM itself.
Yeah, yeah.
So how do you feel that AI is going to create more, people are going to benefit? Some people are talking it's going to give us lead, So how's...
People are going to benefit. I think that everybody in AI is on the start line right now. Everybody is exploring. Certain few people are moving faster as compared to others, but it will support in terms of the kind of
Wonderful.
efficiency that we need.
Right. Thank you. And we just want to know where you holding your next exhibition, if you have
We'll be
any.
doing it in Mumbai,
Okay. Any dates?
31st May.
31st May, Bombay. Thank you.